Hello, my name is Eusebio Lechuga. I am a fourth-year college student here at DeVry University, studying for my electrical engineering degree. And for my topic today, I will be discussing some of the technology being used in electric cars that has been seen in other industries, and some of the technology being used in electric cars from outside industries. So does anyone know when the first electric car was created? Well, the first electric car was seen roughly 133 years ago by an inventor named William Morrison, who was an inventor that lived out of Des Moines, Iowa. So electric cars aren't a new concept, and they have been pretty sought after since the invention of electricity. So this idea has been around for a little over a century, but yet it's just now taking off. And this is partly due to the current technology advancements that we have in place now that have kind of been making this possible. So let's talk about some of the technology that electric cars are currently using from other industries, and some technology that other industries are using from electric cars. Some of the biggest technology advancements have been made due to electric cars. So let's start off with something that is coming up more and more nowadays, and it's kind of something controversial, but self-learning AI. Self-learning AI is just as it sounds. It's a artificial intelligence that is able to understand and predict patterns and kind of learn sort of like we learn. We're seeing this being implemented now in a lot of cars with their automatic braking, their stop sign detection and stuff like that. They're able to predict if a pedestrian's on the road. They're able to see that. But cars aren't really, they're using it in a safety spec, but there's much more that goes into just AI. Microprocessors are becoming more dense and more packed, and we're approaching the level of connections inside of a microprocessor that is coming up to the amount of connections we have in our brains. So there's a lot of talk that we've reached this threshold where a microchip has just a bit more connections than our human brain, which will probably will probably move the artificial intelligence forward. What can this artificial intelligence be used for? I mean, it could go from anywhere to cars, production lines. It's being seen in the medical field for MRI scans. They're putting scans inside of a computer to run diagnostics and pick up patterns and review some of the imagery, and they're finding that the computer is able to see stuff that we aren't able to catch. Some other technologies that we're seeing around, some other uses for an AI would be personal assistants, and we're seeing this now on phones. Siri, for example, or was the Google person. But this is just some of the instances where we're seeing that. Something else that electric cars are bringing to the table and helping push the envelope on are better imaging, better sensors. If you're gonna drive a self-driving car, you would want it to have at least 20/20 vision, right? I know if I get in a car, I would like my car, if it's driving itself, to be able to see better than I can. But we're seeing that. These sensors, you could think of imaging sensors. Again, medical imaging. You can think deep space, telescopes. A lot of that, the sensors being produced for cars if it's being produced for a car on a large scale, the prices will eventually start driving downwards, and then everyone's going to be able to get these better sensors that has been developed for cars and improve on them and build the market that way. So cars aren't only introducing new technology, but they're really driving forward the envelope on producing affordable and budget-friendly technologies that are hopefully going to be passed through many different industries and help elevate the technology that we see all around us. So that's just a quick overview of some of the benefits that the electric car industry is showing. I mean, not that they bring new technology per se, but they're pushing in an envelope in a direction that is going to make this new technology more widespread. We're going to have more widespread, better processors. I mean, advanced robotics, faster assembly lines to make these products. Just overall pushing an industrial side of electronics forward, which we'll be seeing probably here in the next 10 years. So I hope you guys enjoyed my presentation, and see you again. Bye.